Hey guys, want to bring you another YouTube video. So this came in. I got this from Best Buy for $100 with shipping and everything. So you can see it is PlayStation 5 compatible. Did research. Supposedly this is one of the best ones out there with the heatsink, and supposed to be a pretty good rated 1 terabyte with 7300 megabytes per second reading. So we'll put this in on the next video upload. You should be able to see it and see how this turns out, and we'll test it and see if this is like what it's advertised. So we'll go ahead and box it too, just to see what's in it. Oop. So here's a heatsink. That's a little different than I expected. So we'll see if it works. Test it out. Let's see if there's any instructions, some stickers. Congratulations, your new Seagate drive includes SQ or world-class data. That's the other thing I liked about it. Some recovery. So probably need to keep that. So it looks like it's pretty easy. Open up the PlayStation, stick it in, and then put the screw in there. I don't see the screw though in there. So I think the screw, I don't see the screw. So I don't know if it comes with a screw, to be honest. Maybe that's from the PlayStation in there to hook it up in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and try hook it up and go from there.